The Goa Police Crime Branch on Friday recorded the statements of the Tourism Minister Francisco Xavier, alias Mickky Pacheco, over the unnatural death of his family friend Nadia Torrado. The police also recorded statements of the family members of the deceased. Mickky Pacheco was quizzed for more than 7 hours by Police Inspector Sunita Sawant of the Crime Branch. Tourism Minister Mickky Pacheco is in the thick of a controversy over the death of one of his friends. Citing reasons for handing over the case to Crime Branch, police have said that during the investigation, they found suspicious circumstances surrounding the death, which point towards abetment to her suicide, and on Wednesday, Goa Police transferred the case to Crime Branch for detailed and professional investigation. Mr. Pacheco received summons on Tuesday, and the Crime Branch recorded the statements of the Tourism Minister on Friday in the unnatural death of his family friend Nadia Torrado. The police also recorded the statement of the family members of the deceased. Speaking to reporters outside the Crime Branch office at Donapola, the counsel of Mickky Pacheco said that the case had been influenced to unnecessarily target his client.
Well, he is a family friend, and after this incident happened, he was called by the mother of the deceased. He has assisted in what way he could as a family friend. So the facts and circumstances and the chronology would need to be placed on record. And as far as information being provided is concerned, right, my client understands that he must assist the law.
Do you suspect any influence in this case?
Without any doubt, the Goa police has shown extraordinary zeal in a matter of a death which has happened in Chennai. Right? These are very high standards the Goa police has set for themselves. And I hope that they can maintain the similar standards for other deaths of Goans which have happened in the past. But I am happy that if for a case of an accidental death, the Goa police can send teams to Bombay and Chennai, they should do that for other Goan citizens also.
Vikram Verma further accused the Goa police of not providing the statements in the case even after an application has been made 4 days back.
I am questioning the very foundation of such an action. I understand from the mother of the deceased that she does not suspect any foul play. Right? And the brothers, family of the deceased. I believe such statements have been provided in Bombay. An application had been made 4 days back, 5 days back for copies of these statements. I cannot understand why the Goa police has refused to provide these statements. Right. Secondly, as far as the cause of death is concerned, we are not too sure what it is right now. We have to examine the post-mortem reports. That has also not been provided.
Mr. Verma also sought to understand how the Goa police had taken over the case, as of place occurrence of the incident is in Chennai. He said that the conduct of the police so far was doubtful and needed scrutiny.
The place of occurrence, we are clear that it is not within the jurisdiction of Goa. It is in Chennai. So I need to understand how the Goa police, right, has taken over jurisdiction of this particular matter. But if there is a death of a local person anywhere in the country, can the Goa police cease that particular investigation? The conduct so far seems doubtful and needs a scrutiny. I will scrutinize the documents, then we will comment further.
The mother of the deceased, Nadia Torrado, said that the police were unnecessarily harassing them under the pretext of investigations.
What is out to get us, I don't know. We came here at 10 o'clock, you were here. It is now exactly 12:30. I have been asked just 3 to 4 questions and been left to wait up. You saw me coming down. And now I have been told go for lunch and come at 2:30. We cannot even sit for a minute together and even pray or grieve the death of our daughter. I was first asked when I was born, how many children I had, and suddenly they asked me about my daughter's marriage, and then next suddenly about a servant. These are the type of questions, nothing else. I cannot even go to the grave. I've just been left there.
28-year-old unmarried Nadia Torrado died on May 30th after allegedly consuming rat poison at a hospital in Chennai. The family of the deceased has said that there is no criminal offence and there is no foul play, and has accused the police of harassment in the name of investigations. Mickky Pacheco has said that he was a victim of a witch hunt by Goa police and demanded a judicial probe into Nadia's death.